In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync your Basecamp schedule to Google Calendar. This simple process will help you keep track of all your important tasks and events in one place, making your life a little bit easier and more organized. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to basecamp.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your projects on the dashboard. Click on the project that contains the schedule you wish to sync. This will take you into the project's main page where you have all your project-specific tools. Next, look for the calendar option within the project's interface. Usually, you'll find this option listed among other tools like to-dos and messages. Click on the calendar to view all the scheduled events and tasks associated with that particular project. Now, it's time to get the link you need to sync with Google Calendar. On the calendar page, you'll notice three dots, often referred to as the Options or More Actions menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Copy Link. This action will copy the calendar link to your clipboard, which you'll need in just a moment. Now, it's time to switch over to Google Calendar. Open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. Once there, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. There's a small plus icon next to this section. Click on the plus icon to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, click on Import to start the process of adding a new calendar. Then, select the option From URL. This is where you'll be pasting the link you copied earlier from Basecamp. Go ahead and paste the URL into the provided field. Finally, click Add Calendar to complete the sync process. Google Calendar will now import all the events from your Basecamp calendar, and you should see them appear alongside your existing Google Calendar events. This integration ensures that any updates made to your Basecamp schedule will automatically reflect in your Google Calendar, keeping everything up to date without any extra effort on your part. And there you have it. You've successfully synced your Basecamp schedule to Google Calendar, allowing you to manage your time more effectively. Remember, organizing your work tools in a way that suits your workflow is key to maintaining productivity and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Have a great day.